Hey everybody, I have a big reveal for you guys today. This is Daryl from Crypto Daily Trade Signals, and I've got an amazing video that I know you all are going to enjoy and you all need to watch right now. I'm going to talk about crypto millionaire secrets, the tips, the tricks, my strategy on how I became a crypto millionaire. And not only that, guys, I'm going to do something really unique that most YouTubers are not doing. Is I'm going to show you my portfolio, what I invested in, how much money I've made in 90 days, and what strategy I use to do that. So if you like this content and you want to see more videos like that, send a comment, smash that like, and subscribe. Let's dive right into the content right now. You're going to love it. Okay guys, I hope you're ready because we're about to dive into the great content and learn how to become crypto millionaires. Just before we do that, do please check out my channel, Crypto Daily Trade Signals. Please subscribe and please like the channel. And I know you all have friends, so please share the channel with your friends. Let's get into the content. All right. I'm sure a lot of you out there, particularly the people that are new in this space, have probably thought, geez, I see and hear a lot of people making lots of money, but what's happening to me? I'm not making money, I seem to be losing money, and I keep hearing all the YouTubers about how much money they're making and this and that. So what's going on, guys? How are we going to solve this problem? Well, I'm going to show you right now. It's not rocket science, it's very simple. So, first of all, let's take a look at my portfolio. Let's take a look at how I split up my portfolio. And I do that very simple. As you can see, that I split up my portfolio into basically Bitcoin, big caps, and then other small coins. And I've really divided my portfolio into Ethereum. And remember, Ethereum is a smart contract. I also look at who are Ethereum's biggest competitors. That's ADA, smart contract space, DOT, Solana. I've also got 10% of my portfolio in BTC. And later I'm going to talk to you about what is a good percentage split of your total portfolio and how you should be splitting up your portfolio. So basically, Ethereum smart contract, Ethereum competitors, ADA, DOT, Solana. Then I have my Bitcoin positions. Here's my DOT. And here's my other. And I'm going to dive into what these other altcoins are. And then we're going to go to CoinGecko and we're going to explore these coins some more. All right? So, what coins am I holding? Right now, I'm holding Ethereum. I'm holding Cardano, which is a smart contract play. I'm holding Bitcoin. I'm holding Polkadot, which is also a smart contract play, a competitor to Ethereum. I'm also holding Solana, which is also a smart contract play, competitor to Ethereum. I'm also holding Harmony One, which is also a smart contract blockchain play, competitor to Ethereum. I'm also holding CHZ and THETA, which is, as you know, is an NFT space, non-fungible token space. This is a hot space to be in right now, guys. So, CHZ and THETA. I have AKT Network, which is a DeFi space, CryptoCoin.com, which is also smart contract space, and UCipher, which is also a DeFi space. So this is my portfolio, guys. This is what I'm holding, guys. There's no secret out there. There's no mystical, magical Disneyland formula. This is it, boys. This is the coins I'm holding. All right. So let's jump into the technicals on these coins right now. All right, everybody. So the first coin on my list is Ethereum, as you all know. Now, you guys need to just take special note right here. Upgrade notice. ETH network latest upgrade Berlin will be rolled out at block 12244. This is around the 14th of April 2021. Miners and node operators will need to update their clients to the latest version. If you're holding ETH in your wallet or exchange, there's nothing you need to do for this upgrade. So guys, you know, there's an upgrade coming earlier than we expected. I hope that this will be a major big pump for Ethereum. Let's hope so. Let's pray for that. I think it's coming. So let's look at the ETH price. As you can see, right now, Ethereum is up. It's $1,622.60. That's up about 1.4% against the UST, and that's up 1.8% against Bitcoin. So Ethereum is outperforming Bitcoin today. That's good. If you're an Ethereum holder, that's good. So let's take a look at where we are. So in the last year, Ethereum's up, 1,090%. 30 days, it's up 3.7%, and the last 7 days, 14 days, it's down. Last 24 hours, it's up, so that's a good thing. So let's go back 90 days. And you can see in the last 90 days ago, Ethereum was looking at $653. So if you got in at $658, you know, you're almost 4x up. Now, if you got in, when I got into Ethereum right around when the Bitcoin price was around $360. So that takes me back to around about, I'm back, around about October 2020, I bought my Ethereum for $360. So I'm up almost 400%. And you know, I'm going to tell you the truth and the rules for creating life-changing wealth. Okay? So let's take a look at the next coin on my list. The next coin on my list is Cardano. So let's jump in and take a look at the technicals on Cardano. I know some of you may find this boring, but please hold on, because you guys need to take a look at the technicals to see where I started, why I started, and then we'll continue on and teach you and show you the tips and tricks. So don't miss it. Do not miss it. Watch this content right to the end. And if you like this video, smash the like and subscribe. All right, let's talk about my next big play in my portfolio, which is Cardano. Now, we just have some really amazing breaking news from Charles Hoskins. And during the recent Cardano 360 event, Charles Hoskinson unveiled the rollout plan for the Alonzo hard fork. Now, this will bring smart contracts to the 4th generation blockchain for Cardano. And this is set to roll out sometime as early as next month. So this means that finally we should be seeing the smart contracts come to life on Cardano very shortly. So this is huge news. Let's hope that this creates a huge pump in Cardano and that we can finally break that $2 mark. So let's jump into the technicals of Cardano. So as you know, if you look back at my portfolio, Cardano is a big part of my total portfolio play, and Cardano represents around about 22-25% of my total portfolio. So you know, I think everybody knows what Cardano is. It's basically a competitor to Ethereum. It's a blockchain smart contract play. You know, they're going to have NFT space, all of that stuff happening, and it's a great project. You know, where do I see, where do I see Cardano in the next 6 to 12 months? $5 is totally possible. You know, Cardano has, a big rollout plan for Africa, solving some of the main problems there in Africa in terms of how people send money from A to B. So it's going to be a great project. The gas fees are really low. So, you know, Cardano is down a little bit. It's trading at $1.13. It's down 0.4%. And it's down 0.1%. So it's outperforming Bitcoin today, so that's a good thing. So, you know, if you jumped into Cardano a year ago, you'd be up 3,714%. So where did I jump into Cardano? Well, I jumped into Cardano about 30 days ago. When Cardano was trading at around 52 cents. So let me go back, be a little bit longer than 30 days now. Let's see here. I got into Cardano around February, let's see, around February 5th is when I got into Cardano. I bought a whole ton of Cardano at 51%. So, you know, I just bought and I held on. And as you can see right now, it's trading at $1.13. I bought it 52 cents. So we're talking, 2x gains. Yeah, we're talking almost 2x gains in 90 days. So that's Cardano. So let's jump into the next coin that we're going to talk about. Let's get back to my list. The next coin on the list is Bitcoin. I'm not going to spend too much time on that. I think everybody knows what Bitcoin is. I don't need to spend too much time. So I'm going to talk about Polkadot and Solana and Harmony. Let's review the technicals on that right now. All right, let's get into it. Some interesting news for Polkadot holders. Basically, NFT projects to expand on Kusama. You know, Kusama is running on Polkadot, so many of Kusama's initiatives share common goal of deploying NFTs as soon as possible in Polkadot for applications like art, music, and gaming. You know, right now, most of the NFTs are running on Ethereum. I have a big NFT collection called Digital Something, and you can see that on OpenSea.io. But you know, what's really prohibitive is the gas fees. The gas fees are just crazy right now. So, you know, you just want to find something else that's going to help us to buy and sell NFTs without having these crazy gas fees. So, you know, because when you're selling some NFTs at 80 bucks or 90 bucks worth of Ethereum, the gas fees alone can be 200 bucks. So, you know, when you have these smaller NFT collections that you want to share with people and people enjoy them, nobody wants to buy an $80 NFT when it costs you $280 in gas fees. It's just insane, guys. So this is really good news. This is positive news for Polkadot. Hopefully that will help Polkadot pump and the price will go up, because Polkadot, the price has been going down recently. We've seen a lot of downtrend in the last 20 days to 30 days. It's off 11% right now. So Polkadot's, you know, struggling a little bit, but trust me, Polkadot is one to keep an eye on. Those of you that bought in early, I bought my Polkadot around about 19 bucks. Around the 3rd of February. So I'm still holding, I'm still happy, I'm still making money. So the key here is, what's the takeaway? Hold. Don't sell on FUD and fear. Okay, a lot of people that bought in, you know, around $34, $39. You guys probably are like panicking. Oh my God, the sky is falling, the end of the world's coming. Oh my God. Polkadot is down. It's down because Bitcoin is down. That's it, guys. Trust me. April, Bitcoin is going to pump. If you look at historically, March is a bad month for Bitcoin. We have the CME futures coming to a close at the end of the month. We also have the quarterly CME futures closing. But April is going to explode. And when Bitcoin explodes in April, Polkadot is also going to explode. So don't panic. A lot of great stuff coming out with Polkadot. You're going to love it. I love it. The next big coin in my portfolio is Solana. It's currently trading at $13.49. It's down 1.3% against the USDT, and it's down 0.5% against Bitcoin. So now Solana is a kind of an interesting story. I bought Solana at around about 14 bucks. That would be around the 23rd of February. I bought Solana. I'm underwater right now, but guys, I don't panic. The key in this business is don't panic, don't FOMO out, don't listen to the FUD, and you need to have diamond hands. You know, let's take a look at 16 hours ago. Solana ecosystem raised $14 million in strategic investments from OKE exchange and MXC exchanges. And you know, this $14 million is going to help Solana Foundation to build more applications on its platform. So, you know, the two funds, which are collectively valued on $40 million, will help Solana bring more of its decentralized applications and protocols to market. I mean, this is good news. So it means that it's an upside for Solana. Solana is a smart contract based blockchain. It's a major competitor to Ethereum. So this is key news. You know, why are we seeing the price below $14? We're seeing the price below $14 because the Bitcoin price is down, guys. Typically, when Bitcoin price goes down, the altcoins prices go down as well. But something really interesting this year is that in previous cycles, when Bitcoin dropped 2 or 3%, you would see that the altcoins would drop more dramatically. You know, if you see a 1% drop in Bitcoin, you're likely to see 5 to 10% drop in altcoin prices. But this year, particularly for the main coins, the big market cap altcoins, you're seeing that there's less of a volatile impact on the percentage drops in relation to the Bitcoin drops. So, you know, things are looking really bullish in my perspective, and you know, this is not the end. So let's look at my next coin. The next coin in my portfolio is Harmony. I absolutely love Harmony. Harmony is going to hit $1. Definitely it's going to hit $1 soon, guys. I really believe that to be true. Harmony is a competitor to Ethereum, smart blockchain play, smart contract play, I should say, and it has huge potential. And you know, if this thing hits $1, that's almost a 6x from here. I bought my Harmony at 14 cents. So I picked it up around about, let's look at the 7 days. Let's see, 14 cents. I picked it up around about here, the 23rd of March. This makes up a big percentage of my portfolio right now. I really think that Harmony is a project that you want to get into, you need to get into. Take a look at my video on my YouTube, and I talked about what is Harmony and explored all things related to Harmony tokenomics, what it does, what its benefits is. Talked about some of the downsides too, and also my price prediction. So you definitely want to check that out. Just look at how Harmony's been performing. 7 days up 85%, 14 days at 326%. I mean, this coin is definitely going to the moon. Definitely something you're going to check out. Now, please stay tuned. Watch the whole video because I'm going to get into my tips and tricks and what is my strategy to become a crypto millionaire. So stick with it. If you like this content, smash that like and subscribe, and do share with one of your friends. Next coin in my portfolio is CHZ. This is an NFT play, and this is a great coin. It's up today 4.7% against USDT. It's up 5.3% against Bitcoin, 2.9% against Ethereum. Overall, in the last year, it's had amazing 8x increase, 30 days 1x, 46% in 14 days. And it's had some downturn in the last 7 days. That's due to Bitcoin volatility and going down, and it's on its way up. Some interesting news for CHZ is that Socios, and this is the app built on CHZ blockchain, as you guys know, is that it's about to tokenize Manchester City and launch its City Fan token. So, and we hear that they're talking with NFL, which is American football. So as we tokenize more of these sports clubs and sell these tokens, remember these tokens allow you to buy stuff on the football club's fan pages, merchandising discounts. It also allows you to have a vote in terms of the actual football club itself. So it allows you to have some control over the club. So CHZ, I believe, as a really good NFT space. And in your portfolio, you want to have your smart contracts. You want to have your DeFi. You want to have your NFT. So for an NFT play, I think CHZ is an absolute excellent coin. You guys should take a look at it and see what you think about it. Remember, none of this is financial advice. It's just my opinion. My next coin in my portfolio is THETA. I love THETA. In case you guys don't know what THETA is, basically THETA is a decentralized video delivery network powered by the users. You can think of it as the blockchain equivalent of Netflix. And what they're doing is it's a decentralized video delivery network. So in the future, we could see that peer-to-peer streaming, TV, movies, education will all be done on the blockchain. It'll be a lot faster because you don't need to have localized nodes in each country like Netflix does. And it's going to be decentralized, so we can control what content we see, how much we pay for the content, and how fast that gets delivered. So if we look at THETA right now, it's trading at $13.01. It's up 6%. Go THETA, go. It's up 6.3% against Bitcoin. And if we look overall, 1 year up 18x. Hello, it's a great coin. 30 days, 326%, 14 days, 86%, and so forth and so on. This is a great coin to add to your bag. That's why I have it in my portfolio. That's why you need it in your portfolio. Do your own research. This is not financial advice. Check out THETA. The next coin on my portfolio is something called AKT. And this is the world's first decentralized open source cloud and decloud for DeFi. I love this project because what this project is doing is it's creating something similar to web services hosting like Amazon has, like Google Cloud. If you're going to deploy applications that rely on the internet. You know, it allows you to basically host your website, host your applications, host your blockchains and different projects on a decentralized server. If you go to a centralized server such as Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, etc., these are the prices that you're paying, you know, per kilobyte. So if you look at the cash, it's a fraction of these costs. And remember, because it's decentralized, when you put your application on a cache, nobody can shut you down. Remember what happened to Parler? Remember, Parler was a Facebook competitor, and you know, people didn't like Parler. Amazon, Facebook, Google, Twitter, they didn't like Parler because it was a competitor in their space. Unfortunately, Parler was hosted on Amazon Web Services, and basically Facebook, Google, Twitter, they said we don't like Parler because it's competing with Facebook. So Amazon pulled the kill switch, and now Parler as a competitor of Facebook is dead because it was centralized. And centralization means that Amazon, if they don't like you, they pull the rug. So I love Cash Networks. It's a great buy. I mean, I've 1x'd on this baby already. It's fantastic. You know, I bought it about 90 days ago. Where's that? I bought it, let's see, around about here. I bought it for 71 cents. And now it's trading at $5.19. So, you know, do I still think this coin has room to grow? It's never disappointed me, and I believe that, you know, this coin is fantastic. It has really good upside. It's decentralized, web server, cloud server, DeFi server. And the good thing about it is because it's decentralized, if there's a project on there that's a big competitor to Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, they can't pull the rug on you because no one person owns or controls cash because it's decentralized. You know, I've 7x'd on my investment, so I'm not crying, I'm not complaining. So do your own homework. I still think there's a lot of upside on this coin. I think that you'll like it. It's a great coin. So take a look at that and make your own financial advice, etc. Let's jump into the next coin. The next coin on my list in my portfolio is NewCypher. This is a cryptomatic privacy coin. This allows you to encrypt information using the NewCypher algorithm. It's decentralized. This is a great project. You know, as of late, it hasn't been performing so well. In the last 30 days, it's down 28%. But I believe that as technology starts to expand, that the need for privacy and privacy coins are going to be really important. So take a look at this project, do your own homework. If you like it, get in. I still think, you know, that NewCypher is a good coin. It's a privacy layer for distributed systems and decentralized application. NewCypher KMS helps you know, application developers to secure their data on the blockchain with decentralized proxy re-encryption as a service. So yeah, check it out and see if you like it. All right, so that's it for the in-depth look at my portfolio. So you've now seen all the coins that I have in my portfolio. You see what I own. So now let's look at my profit or loss. Let's look at how much money I've made, and let me talk about the strategy that I use to make money in this business. So if you like this content, please smash those likes. Please subscribe and love this content. So that's a rundown of the coins that I'm currently holding. All right, the good and the bad. So if I look at my portfolio in the last 90 days, Ethereum has increased 197%. Solana has been my worst performing coin overall in terms of percentages, but like I said, I'm still making money in Solana even though it's dropped 8.93% in 90 days. So my portfolio growth in the last 90 days, so my $2 million has now grown to hit an all-time high of around just over around $8.2 million when Bitcoin was at 60,000. It's subsequently dropped down now, and it's sitting at around about 8 million, and it oscillates during the day anywhere from 7.600,000 to $8 million. So it does oscillate a little bit during the day. Nothing to panic, because I'm making tremendous gains, guys. I'm making tremendous gains. So how did I do that? How did I make tremendous gains? What was my strategy? So this is how you multiply your crypto wealth with this one secret. Okay? Rule number one, buy on the dips. Never FOMO in at the top. You know, I have a good friend, really intelligent person, but I constantly see them doing stupid things. They'll buy a coin when it's increased 15-20%. They'll buy it because they FOMO in, they think, oh my God, this thing's going to go to the moon. And then what happens in the next couple of days or a week, they get impatient, they see it dropping, they sell the coin at a loss, and then they do the same thing again. You know, rinse and repeat, and they FOMO in another coin. Yeah, sometimes they get lucky, they FOMO in at the top, and it just keeps growing. But you know, with the recent decline in Bitcoin, they're losing money. And then they call me, hey Daryl, you know, I'm losing money. Why am I losing money? I keep telling them, don't FOMO in at the top. Buy on the dips, guys. Wait for the dips. These coins never go up forever in a steady line. They're going to have peaks and valleys, and you want to buy in the valleys on the dips. The next rule is you need to dollar cost average into your position. So if you bought on a dip when the coin dropped to 13, and then next week it's back to 15, and then it dips back down to 12, well, buy again at the 12. Then you dollar cost average in, and you reduce your total cost in terms of the average of the coin that you just bought at 14 because you just bought another coin at 12. So dollar cost average into your positions. Now this is the key for building life-changing wealth. HODL and be patient. It's very important. I see a lot of people, they can't be patient. You know, they have the attention span of a fly, and after 1 week or 2 weeks, they're like, oh, my coin's going down. The end of the world. The sky's falling. Panic, panic, panic. You need to be patient. These things take time. Sometimes you need to wait 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 5 months, 6 months. You know, look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin from its inception to now has always gone up, and it will always go up. And the major, you know, big cap coins like Ethereum, ADA, Polkadot, they will continue to grow. They will continue to grow and go up. So don't panic. Don't listen to the FUD. Don't FOMO into the top. Buy on the dips, dollar cost average into your positions. Now, here's another thing is when you need to learn when to take profits. A lot of people, they don't know when to take profits. They buy Bitcoin at 30,000, they wait, and then Bitcoin goes from down to 60 to 47,000, and then they decide to sell. Well, they lost money. You guys need to learn how to dollar cost average out of your positions in a bear market and know when the bear market is coming. The prediction for the bear market for this year is September to October. Look at the data. Look at the stock flow. Look at the pie chart for Bitcoin. Look at all the indicators. Do your research. Don't just follow blindly what people say. There's a lot of people who make YouTubes, they create FOMO, they create FUD just to scare you. Remember, do your own research. And remember the 50-20-25 rule. 50% of your crypto should be in Bitcoin or other high market cap like Ethereum, 25% in mid caps, and 25% in small caps. So 50% in Bitcoin or Ethereum, which I consider the top two market cap coins. Then 25% in mid caps, ADA, Polkadot, Solana, the top 15 to 20 projects. And then the final 25% can be in small caps. Never invest in micro caps, because micro caps, they can go up 1,000% today and they can go to zero tomorrow. So once again, 50% in your big caps, 25% in your mid caps, and 25% in your small cap. That's the way I play it. That's the way you want to play it. That's the name of the game, guys. So once again, guys, this is my tips and tricks to being a crypto millionaire, and these are my secrets. So let's just recap. This is my portfolio: 55% in Ethereum, 13% in ADA, 11% in BTC, 6% and others. My portfolio looks like that. It's not rocket science. I want to be transparent. I want to tell you everything that I got. This has been the good and the bad. Ethereum is up almost 200%. Solana has been my worst performer. This is my portfolio growth in the last 90 days, 2 million to 8 million. It's fantastic. Once again, the rules. Rule number 1, buy at the dips, never FOMO in at the top. Rule number 2, dollar cost average into your positions. The most important, hold and be patient. Dollar cost average out of your positions into the bear market, and always follow the 50-20-25 rule. That is key. So once again, guys, remember, note of caution, this video is personal opinions. Do your own research. Never take my opinion as financial advice. There are many strategies, and there's not one that fits all people. If you're interested in NFTs, you can check the links below in this video. You can hit me on my social group. I've got different discounts and cashbacks on different trading platforms. You can check out different crypto wallets, Swissborg, Crypto.com, get some amazing dollar bonuses and cashbacks. So once again, guys, this is Daryl from Crypto Daily Trade Signals, and if you like this video, please smash that like, and don't forget to comment. I want to hear your comments. If you like this content, please send me some comments. Please tell me what kind of information you need, what kind of stuff you want to see me talking about on the channel. I really hope this puts you in perspective, and hopefully some of you out there will help you to make more money, be more confident. Don't panic right now. Bitcoin is, not as bullish as it used to be. Don't worry, April, Bitcoin's going to kill it. Once again, Daryl. This is Daryl from Crypto Daily Trade Signals. Peace out, boys.